Alrighty guys, when I found this in the trash, this lawnmower in the trash can, I picked it up. It's in a good condition to me, it looks like it. So what I did is remove these two screws, screwdriver, and you gotta leave another one right here in the black one. Small little piece to remove. Just remember, put them all together, the three screws that you took out. You disconnect this little hose from the back. Once you remove those three bolts, you disconnect this little hose. If you don't know, you should always keep them together. Three screws that came out from there. Alright. And then you get your recycle gas container, bottle, Coke bottle. You disconnect the gas hose, remove the clip, pull it back. Recycle that gas. And once you remove the carburetor, there's a screw in the bottom. Take that off, take it apart. This little silver thing, it drops down, but you put it upside down. The reason I'm not doing this, because it has gas right now. But once you remove that, you use this carburetor cleaner. You spray it inside, spray it over here in the back, spray it all the way inside. Hose right there, everywhere. Once that's done, it gets dry, you wait for a couple minutes, let it dry, put your gaskets together. As you can see, there's a gasket in there. Put them back together. And the same way you took it out, same way it goes back in. And that's all it takes. As for example, you know, the hose, the gas already all the way out. So it's time to put this bad baby back. Like I said, the same way you took it out, same way it's going back in. connect your gas hose, a little clip. This goes in this little hose. Push it in. And when I got this lawnmower, it will start, but it will die. The reason it will die because there was a lot of trash in the inside. Bad gas too. And as you can see, there's a lot of crap in the bottom of the gas. So I don't know what it is, but it's dirty gas. And later on, I'm gonna buy the filter, replace the filter, and always lubricate all your little springs, you know. And what I use is this stuff right here. That's what I use. You can use that or WD-40. Oh, and like I said, I found this, and I still gotta replace the oil on this thing, but I'm just trying to make it get it going. And you always disconnect this. I forgot this connection, because you never know. You can always want to start by yourself if something happens. I forgot to take this wire, but like I said, sorry too late. So, which I'm already done. And don't forget to pull your gas. The 2 screws that you took out. Then you put this little plastic cover. And like I said, I found this thing. I gotta change up the oil. You gotta put brand new oil. You come back and you put the gas on. basically it. That's all it takes to get this job done. Like I said, I found this thing in the trash. I liked it. I picked it up, fixed it up, and it runs. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching.